one. Let's try. Lights. Finally. I'm really tired. Whew. I am here now in Kuopio city, Finland. As you can see outside, it's very sunny. Fortunately, it's not that cold today. It's around -1 degrees. I say it's not that cold because all the time, all week, last week, is like -20 degrees, -15 degrees, and now when I came here, it's like -1, so I'm very happy. Let's take some photos. First photo. Here's a nice train. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Let's go back. I'm using this 100 to 400 RF lens, dark aperture, but let's see. This is nice. It's hard to take a wide shot with telephoto lens. But let's see what we got. This is pretty nice. There is a car. Let's zoom it. Oh man, he crosses. No. Let's try this grill. Good. This one maybe. Nice. It's overexposed, but yeah, it's -4 degrees. It's not too cold, but let's see later. I say it's not so cold because -4 degrees in Finland is like already warm. I can't see. Again. Oh, yep. Subject is gone. One thing I like about this lens is that it's very sharp and it's very light. Perfect for travel. Yeah. Let's go here. Very thick snow here. Kuopio city. Last night snow falls heavily. But good thing it's not too cold today. Let's take someone's portrait inside a car. think I found some. Yeah. Let's try this. Let's take photo of this bus. The bus. Nope. Let's come close. Better. Where is it? Okay, here it comes. I'm gonna take a photo of this. Oh, the driver. No, it goes away. Nothing here, but I don't like it. Okay. I think this is the center part of the city. I have seen this on Instagram. Nice. Do we have here? I think this is a rabbit. I don't know what they call this, but it looks like a rabbit. Let's see if it's so overexposed. Oh. Let's try. Nope, I don't like it. Let's take a photo of this ever famous structure in Finland. Sokos is everywhere here. Oh. Let's take a photo of this mom carrying his son.
Kerran auringon nousun takia työpaikalla.
decent sized city. Yeah, but Kuopio is like one of the bigger cities in Finland, but you know. I see an interesting. What is this? People in Kuopio, what is this? What is this thing called? Here. Where is it? This one.
Ja kun se selitys oli niin paskaa.
Joo, mä yritin yli.
I can hear somebody say paska. Paska in Finnish is yeah. Just search it in Google for yourself what it means. At an aperture of f8 I can still get some decent background blur if when you zoom way out. Yeah, it's not. You can still get a decent background blur of f8 when you zoom way out. I found a good spot here. I think this is frozen, like yeah, maybe. Let's see. My hands is getting, although I have double gloves, it's getting painful already. Today is like -3 degrees. This is not cold for here. This is not cold at all. Photo of this bad boy. Oop. Not them, this bad boy. Tesla. No. Let's take another one. This bad boy. Yeah. Very nice. Let's take a photo of this man. Nice. Yep. I think I had a good one. Very nice. This setup, it's telephoto. You don't have to be face to face with anyone, and it's very light. I like it. Ooh. Although one thing's for sure is that this is not a weather sealed camera. That's why it's not so expensive. But it's not snowing today, so no problem at all. But if it's raining and heavy snow, you need to be careful this lens. But overall, this is a very nice setup. Very, very light. I like it. I'm gonna bring this all the time when I go traveling. Yeah,